Welcome to Bubba Smiles TV. I'm Bubba Smiles. Please click on like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today, we're going to do a stir fry chicken cabbage with broccoli with beefy onion mix. As you can see, I have all of the ingredients here so you can see what we're using today. And what I'm going to go ahead and do now, start prepping the actual food for our meal today. In preparation, I have already cut up the actual half a cabbage, a cup of broccoli, and 3 strips of the chicken breast. So I'm gonna take the chicken breast and just go ahead and pour it into my hot skillet that I have already. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the chicken. As it gets hot, you want to go ahead and cook it now. Doesn't take a lot of time to cook. So I'm just going to cook this right here. And this should take only a few minutes to cook the actual chicken. While I'm cooking, I'm just going to pour a little bit of my seasoning, onion powder. Just go ahead and get it over there a little bit. Some garlic powder. As well as my pepper, black pepper. Then I'm just going to go ahead and keep cooking the chicken until it's done. You want some well-cooked chicken. So as you can see, stirring the chicken up now. Take about a couple of minutes to cook the chicken. Now you can cook the entire cabbage and a full pack of chickens at your leisure, or if you have chicken thighs instead of chicken breast, you can do this as well. See how that is? See how it's cooking? Doesn't take long. The wok is quick. I like cooking in my wok because I can get a good hot heat on my oven stovetop and cook it quickly. And now you have a little bit of chicken gravy there as well, which is going to help the cabbage. Okay, my chicken is done. So what I'm going to do now is take my cut up cabbage and just pour it into my mixture. You don't need to put any water or anything into the stir fry because it's pretty much already have water. Then I'm gonna pour in my broccoli, my cup of broccoli, and stir it up. It's gonna warm up as well. Then just cook that down to my desired taste. It's not gonna take long to cook. And then the secret ingredient is the beefy onion mix. You see I didn't put any salt in there because the beefy onion mix has enough sodium. But what this does, this enhances the actual flavor. It gives us a different kick. Beefy onion mix is my secret weapon that I like to use because you can mix it up and stir it up that way. So it would take a minute or so to cook. And then while I'm cooking it, I don't need to put in the water. I don't really need to put any more oil in there. It has enough oil. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring it. Broccoli softening up now. It'll really take about a good 10-15 minutes to fully cook this meal to your taste and desired crunch. And also, if you have a bag of stir fry vegetables, You can put that in there as well. It comes with the broccoli and carrots. So that's another way you can prepare. I've done it that way as well with the cabbage. So it gives it a different taste and flavor. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and finish cooking it, and I will show you the final product in just a moment. I have finished cooking, and let me show you the final product. Let me dip a little bit of this, put it on the plate so you can see it, how good it looks. So yeah, so you got the chicken, you got your broccoli. It's a very good meal. Inexpensive. I think most of the ingredients that everyone already have in their refrigerator or deep freezer. So this is the chicken cabbage stir fry with broccoli and beefy onion mix. Enjoy. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and also click the like video. My next video will be some Italian turkey wings and homemade Southern style potato salad. All right. Thank you. Please subscribe.